Dear all, welcome to this new review dedicated to Lalal.ai, the best website you can use to extract vocals and instruments from rendered audio and video files for free. This is indeed the most suggested tool for all musicians, sound producers, and DJs that need to extract tracks or perform changes on it. Lalal.ai runs a very powerful AI algorithm tested on more than 20 terabytes of different samples, continuously learning in order to achieve the cleanest, high-quality audio separation without errors and heavy distortion. It combines a very advanced sound filter, followed by a professional and deep sound processing that separates the track into two stems, the vocal part and the instrumental one. In respect to other competitors, Lalal.ai does not require any installation or command line to be launched. You just need to log in with your email address and upload your interested files. Very easy, simple, and professional at the same time. Perfect for producers, but also beginners and amateurs. With the login made, upload any sound file by either dragging and dropping it or clicking on Select File. Lalal.ai accepts every kind of audio file format, size, and length. Wait some little time to get a quick preview on the tracks extracted. These include the vocal part, such as any singer voice or background voice,
Look close and I think you might like me.
and the instrumental part, which includes melodies, percussion, and sound effects. You can play back these directly or download these quickly. If the preview is not good, you can go to Restart in the top right corner and edit the algorithm options at the bottom. You can select between the new and the old algorithm technology or change the processing level between mild, normal, and aggressive. With mild, a minimum amount of sound filtration is applied, so the interpretation of vocal and instrumental part may be wrong, resulting in a residual mix between the two. If you choose aggressive, the maximum amount of filtration is performed in order to detect and remove any error coming from the track separation. In this case, the result may include a larger amount of audible artifacts in some cases. The correct algorithm may depend case by case. In case you still get unsatisfactory results, make sure to upload the sound file with a high bitrate or in a lossless format. If you like the preview, you can go on processing the entire track uploaded. With a free account, you can extract up to 10 minutes of sound in total. For longer and more tracks, you can go for a light or a professional upgrade to extract 90 minutes or 300 minutes. Click on Process to extract the vocal and the instrumental track entirely. The vocal track is very good to create an a cappella or to get an easier file to find the correct timings for subtitles. The instrumental track does not include any vocal, which makes it very useful to apply changes or just play back the melody of the song on its own. In addition, all downloaded files are ready to use since they are rendered with the same file format, sample rate, and bitrate of the original file uploaded. This means that if you import a .flac file, you obtain a .flac file as output. You won't have any limitation on the sample rate, the bitrate, or the file format. The track separation can be made from uploaded videos as well. In this case, you get the vocals and the instrumental part without any video frames saved. If you need these, you will have to join frames and audio part on your own. Do not forget to get in touch with the latest news and updates about Lalal.ai. You can follow their Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube channel account, and visit the official blog to learn more about the latest improvements, the audio separation technology, and much more. Thank you for watching this review. Check our video description to know more about Lalal.ai website.